Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where iPhone tips and features are explained clearly and simply. In this video, you will learn how to screen record on your iPhone using the built-in screen recorder. Here's what we will cover. Number 1. Add screen recording to Control Center. Number 2. Start a screen recording. Number 3. Stop and save the recording. Number 4. Enable microphone audio. Let us get started. At number 1, add screen recording to Control Center. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Control Center. If screen recording is not already listed, scroll down to More Controls. Find screen recording and tap the green plus button to add it. Once added, exit the Settings app. Number 2. Start a screen recording. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Look for the screen recording icon near the bottom. Tap the icon, then wait for the 3-second countdown. After the countdown, your iPhone will begin recording everything on your screen. Number 3. Stop and save the recording. To stop the recording, open the Control Center again and tap the red recording icon. You can also stop recording by tapping the time indicator at the top of the screen. Once stopped, the screen recording is automatically saved to the Photos app. Number 4. Enable microphone audio. If you want to record your voice along with the screen, press and hold the screen recording button in Control Center before starting. Tap microphone on, then start the recording. This allows you to add voice narration while your screen is being recorded. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purposes only, this video is for guidance only. All stuff shown use safe, built-in iOS features. Settings and availability may vary depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. And that is how to stop screen recording on iPhone. Quick and easy guide. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And please don't forget to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick and easy iPhone tips. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.